All right, lovely souls. Today we have the opportunity to come together and unite as oneness. So to begin this meditation, I think it would be a good idea to take some deep breaths together. So I invite you to please close your eyes. And we're going to create the space for our meditation where we may invite love and light, so we may anchor into our Mother Gaia. So let us first take a deep breath in and exhale out of your mouth. Inhale again, and let's hold for 2 at the top. And exhale. This time we're going to hold for 2 at the top. Inhale. And let's hold for 4 at the top now. Inhale. And exhale. Now just be with the breath a little bit. For our breath is how we connect to our higher timelines and our organic information, where intelligence resides. The breath is how we navigate our truth. When you are in doubt or in concern or in fear or feeling down, notice your breath. Is it shallower than normal? Is it quicker than normal? You have the power to control the breath, and when we control the breath, we slow the heart rate, we slow the blood pressure, and we become balanced in a brain-heart coherence of oneness. Now let's visualize, now if you will, our chakra system coming online with bright energy directly from the source. Envisioning a silver cord of light so bright emanating from our grand central solar sun. This silver cord of energy radiates down into our solar system that we are currently residing in with our cosmic sun. The energy from this source is all intelligence, all information. This is where we are. This is what we understand. The oneness, the intelligence. Now we're going to visualize this light streaming down as a direct line of energy from source. This cord connects to our chakra system. Our chakras are off-body chakras. Starting in the solar system, we are connected. The information of these chakra systems give us the energy and information from source directly with unconditional love. For unconditional love and gratitude, compassion is the energy of source. Now we visualize this silver cord of energy coming down into our chakras that are in our solar system, directly above our Earth Star chakra. We are connected through our chakra systems, off body and on body. We bring this light down even further into our chakra that is right above our head, about 16 inches. We may feel our aura at this point being directly penetrated with this unconditional love brightening and radiating. Envision this light as a protective shield around your body. Your on-body chakras, your root chakra all the way up to your crown chakra, is in perfect alignment. Your activated chakras allow love and intelligence from the higher chakras to come down and align and activate. Now, with our bright light of organic, true love that we are emanating, we no longer notice our bodies having a shape, but more of an energy frequency. The frequency of unconditional love, the frequency of compassion and gratitude and forgiveness and pure bliss. This is what we stand for. These are the frequencies that run our energetic system. Now, with our aura body very bright, full of love, full of truth and light, we are ready to anchor into our Mother Gaia all the love and intelligence from Source, for we are the conduits of this information from Source. We are experiences of Source. Now, let us take our experience and anchor that into our Mother, who is missing us and loving us so much. We greet her with bright, pure, golden light. By doing this, we envision our bright aura bodies anchoring down into our earth as roots, growing down into our Mother Gaia. These roots grow deep down into our Mother, the earth's crust, the earth's mantle, and into the core. We radiate our light and love into our Mother Gaia. We greet each other with warmth and love. Now we sit here with our Mother Gaia, breathing love and light. So let's breathe our unconditional loving light into our Mother, where we may feel the oneness and connection with her. So inhale, please, bright golden light. And exhale deep down into Mother Gaia. Inhale again, visualizing the brightest light, full of love, full of truth, full of gratitude. And exhale it into our Mother Gaia. Spend time here with our Mother, deep in her core, visualizing this bright golden healing light. This light connects us through the roots that go down from our chakras as oneness, anchoring into Earth, our Mother, allowing information, intelligence of Source to come through from our higher off-body chakras. With our light as a cord that is connected, there may be no negative energy, no negative intent in this stream of pure intelligence, love, light, light, love. Only love exists, and this is our truth. We are warriors of light, warriors of love, and we are here as Source information to continue on this experience, to return our information back up to Source and continue downloading. This continual process of the ebb and flow, receiving information and delivering. We are teacher-learners, learner-teachers of each other at all times. When in doubt, come into the breath, connect with Source, and breathe into Mother Gaia, and feel the connection of love, of warmth, of truth. When we are in this space of truth, nothing else exists. We have nowhere to be. We have no deadlines. There is no time, for time is an illusion, and all is perfect and in divine timing. Just notice around you. When you come out of this meditation, be aware of the simple things. The blue sky, the crisp air, the leaves falling from the sky, the taste of any food or drink that is serving you, energetic light codes. Appreciate, notice. Our senses are such a blessing. Use your senses at all times to receive the frequencies that are emanating constantly around us. We are antennas of energy, radiating our light. We are connected and in unity. And when we are in this connection, everything is perfect. Oh, the simple things of joy, of life. Do not get distracted from the burdens, from the ego, from things that do not matter. It is all an illusion. Come into your emotions, come within, and be guided by synchronicities and messages that are everywhere. The frequencies are speaking to us, and when we match those frequencies, we resonate. We have those feelings within that we cannot deny and doubt. We cannot deny love. We cannot deny truth, for this is the frequency that runs our energetic systems. I am so grateful. I am so thankful. What a beautiful life it is here. So many beauties. Our Mother, Gaia, that gives to us. The reminder of patience, the beauty that surrounds us. Notice. Slow your heart rate and be synchronized and harmonized with Mother Gaia and Source, who is always guiding. Now, as we close this meditation, I invite you now to please place your left hand over your heart space and your right hand just above your left hand. Feel your heart racing, slowing, keeping you alive. This pulse, the electromagnetic pulse that is ever beating. Now, repeat after me. I thank you. I am grateful. And I love you. Remember to go within. Remember self-love. Treat yourself with self-love. Tell yourself you love yourself. You are grateful and thankful. I'm thankful for uniting with all of these fellow souls that we are as oneness. Our connection radiates so strong when we come together. Thank you for connecting. I love you. Now let's bring us back into our body. Visualizing the light coming into your heart space. For this heart space is how we manifest and create all that we intend. May we carry out all that we intend into our physical mission on this earth journey incarnation. Thank you. And so it is. It is done. Namaste. Thank you, lovely souls. What a great opportunity to come together. I will be recording this and placing it. If you want to share it around, that would be much appreciated. Thank you again, and we will have another mass meditation soon, so please stay in touch with our group, Awakening Mass Meditations, and we will have another. Thank you, and I love you. Bye.